Welcome to Mo's coding class. Today, we are going to make getting points in the game such as coins, gold, gems, or bullets. We're gonna use variable in this video. First, you click add button, then you click text box button. Write get point and click the button that says apply. Click the button attribute, then click add variable. Write points in the variable box, then click enter button. You can hide the variable point if you want. Now let's start to code. When object clicked, repeat random number between 10 and 200 times. Plus 2 points by 1. When I click the button that says get point, the point will go up. Now I will make the text box write the value of variable points. When object clicked, repeat infinitely, write the value of points. I'll make the word get point a little bit bigger because I think it's way too small. And I'll hide the variable points again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want.